this is Yuri, and today is the part 2 of the secret feature or cool feature or hidden feature about the new MG ZS EV. So I'll go through different features. I'm pretty sure there will be a part 3 coming in as well, because there are simply too many features to list at the moment by the look of it. So what I'll do, I'll leave all the timestamps down below. You can skip forward to do different each parts of the video. And if you're enjoying the video, if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe and like for more videos in the future. That would be really helpful. If you're looking to purchase one in New Zealand, especially around Auckland, please contact me. I work for Abbott, and I'll leave all my contact details down below. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first feature of the day. We all know we have keyless entry on this vehicle, so just tap the button, it'll lock, unlock from the driver and passenger side. Something you may not know, you actually have a keyless sort of entry sensor underneath your sort of in the boot, underneath the logo. So what you can do, when the vehicle is still remain locked, you can actually have access to the rear boot. So as long as I have the key with me, just like that, I have the key with me, all I need to do, just pull the door handle, that opens up and only unlocks the boot, by the way. So all your doors on the side will remain locked as long as the vehicle is locked. And once you load your items, leave your stuff, everything in there, drop it down, you can see the blink, and that means all your doors remain locked. Let's say just like that, and your boot remain locked. Unless you are close to the distance, obviously, unlocking that. So now you have an inbuilt sensor that work with your keyless entry. So cool feature number 1. And the number 2 feature is related to this number 1 feature. So in case you leave your boot opens while all the doors remain locked, and you accidentally drop your key in the vehicle, or you have your key in your bag and you check your bag in it, it's perfectly normal. It happens to some people, happens to everyone, sort of thing. And then when you close the boot won't get it shut or won't lock itself. Just like that. You hear the click and see the blinker. Now I still have access to the doors, so the boot doesn't unlock all the way, and the alarm does ring because I'm actually unlocking the door, because the boot sort of feels that I'm accessing to the vehicle without even unlocking the car. So yeah, that's how that works. At least you don't drop your key or you don't lock your car key inside the vehicle. So that's a cool feature number 2. And the cool feature number 3 is actually related to what we had just did. So when your iPhone or Android phones are connected to the vehicle using the MG iSmart app, your iSmart app will give you a notification if your alarm is triggered. Let's say alarm just got triggered about 5 minutes ago, and then you'll get a notification just like this. It's instant actually. Once I get the alarm, the notification is on. And also, when you go into your MG iSmart app, and when your obviously vehicle is connected, you can see this notification on the top with the messages, and then we have alarm triggered and alarm cancelled. That means I was the one who did the alarm, so I'm totally okay. But obviously, if your vehicle is being targeted or being stolen, anything like that, this will give you a notification. So that's pretty cool. We can cancel that. So that's the cool feature number 3 for the alarm notification on your mobile app, the MG iSmart app. And the number 4 feature is called the traffic jam assist. So in your secondary menu in the vehicles, you will see the MG Pilot on the second line. This is called the traffic jam assist. So when you are on cruise control, adaptive cruise control, by the way, you can pull the lever towards the steering twice just by double tap. Basically, you have a notification on the right. That means your traffic jam assist is connected or is switched on. When you drive along, once the vehicle is in front of you, or there's land and all the things on the left and right, the vehicle do the adaptive cruise control for you. At the same time, it will help you to steer your steering, keeping the right center. So that's quite cool with the traffic jam assist. If you do not wish to have it, that's pretty easy. Just disable that. Just like that, there's no traffic jam assist. Otherwise, even if you enable that, you have to pull the lever twice anyway. If you push all the way to cancel the cruise control and bring back the cruise control, default setting, there will be unlinked standard cruise control. So you have to engage that by double tapping. by the way. So yeah, that's the traffic jam assist for the new MG ZS EV. And the number 5 cool feature is on the secondary menu. We have the vehicle settings, and we're gonna go into lighting. So underneath we'll have a find my car response function. So if this function is enabled, and you can select your feedback, either flash or flash plus horn. That means if your vehicle is in the car park and you can't locate your vehicle at all, what you want to do, as long as the vehicle is locked, and it's locked for more than 5 to 10 minutes, you just press the lock button from the key. As long as the key can track the vehicle will give you flash and horn, or just flash from distance so you can see that vehicle. Let's say this red EV has been locked for, let's say, more than 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and I can't find the vehicle at all. I'm just gonna use the lock button and press the lock key, just like that, the flash and horn at the same time. To disengage that, just press the unlock, and then obviously you disengage that once you find out where the vehicle is, sort of thing. So yeah, I think that cool feature is definitely very helpful in case you can't find your vehicle, in case you're in the big car park or anything like that. So that's the number 5 cool feature. So number 6 of the cool features on this MG ZS EV part 2 is about cruise control, since we're already talking about cruise control. So whether you're on adaptive cruise control or traffic jam assist, when the vehicle going into a sort of sharp corner on highway on high speed, when you're steering, turn to enough angle, or if the lane departure sees the lane marking is quite curved, sort of thing, for example, the vehicle will actually slow down for you automatically, even if your set speed is such. Let's say you set speed 100, and then you're going around sharp corner, you notice the vehicle like automatically slow down for you, let's say slow you down to 95 or 96, something like that, to try to give you that maybe a perfect balance when you go around the corner, instead of just pushing you all the way through the corner. It's something that you will get used to, I guess, but in the first initial time, maybe you'll be like, oh no, I don't like this or anything like that, or something wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it, it's just a feature that comes with the vehicle. Maybe it's safety related. I think some manufacturers do the same as well when you are on cruise control. So yeah, just the number 6 of the cool feature. The last cool feature about this video is the USB dash cam. So all the New Zealand and Australian version of the ZS EV, you have this USB over here. So it's very easy if you do want to install or do have a dash cam already. What you want to do, you can mount your dash cam over here on the left, wherever you like, and then simple, very small USB will be able to plug it in. This is USB-A, by the way, and that allows you to connect your dash cam. So instead of going by the cables around all the things, going to your 12-volt socket or anything underneath the bonnet or anything like that, this is a much easier location to use your dash cam. This is actually the feature I really wish every single manufacturer do, because it just be much easier for us to install a dash cam that we prefer, if the vehicle doesn't come with the dash cam, obviously. So yeah, that's the last cool feature about this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll do a number 3, part 3 in the future, 100%. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the new ZS EV as well, and if there's anything we can help you to purchase the vehicle in Auckland, New Zealand, please contact me. My name is Jerry, and if you found this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe and like down below to support this small channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.